Good morning, children. Today, let us do few questions related to the topic factors, multiples, and primes. Okay. Our first question is write 1001 as a product of prime numbers. Write 1001 as a product of prime numbers. This is our first question. Okay. As you already learned how to write a number as a product of prime numbers, we need to factorize the number. That is, we can use a factor tree method. Okay. 1001 can be split as 7 and 143. Children, here we can use test of divisibility to find the factors of 1001. Okay. Since the ending digit of the number is 1, we can't divide it by 2. 2 is the smallest prime number. Next, 3. Find the sum of the digits. 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 2. 2 is not divisible by 3. So, 1001 is not divisible by 3. Okay. The next smallest prime number is 5. Since this number ends with 1, it is not divisible by 5 also. Okay. Next smallest prime number is 7. If we divide 1001 by 7, we will get 143 as quotient. Okay. So, here the factors of 1001 are 7 and 143. So, we can split 1001 as 7 into 143. Now, split 143 as 11 and 13. 11 and 13. Because, children, first we divide 1001 with the smallest prime factor 7. Okay. Further dividing 143 by 7 gives a non-zero remainder. If we divide 143 by 7, we will get a non-zero remainder. That means divided by 7, 2 times 14, 3. We can't divide 3 by 7. So, here 0, 0, 3. 3 minus 0, 3. So, which is our remainder, children? 3. That means 107 is not a factor of 143. Okay. 7 is not a factor of 143. So, take the next prime number, that is 11. 11 divided by 143 gives 13 as quotient and remainder 0. Okay. 143 divided by 11. 1 time 11. 14 minus 11, 3. Bring this 3 down. 3 times 33, 0. So, here the remainder is 0. Therefore, 11 is a factor of 143. So, our factors are, prime factors are 7, 11 and 13. We can stop our work here, children, because at the end of the branches, the numbers are 11 and 33, which are prime numbers. So, what is the prime factorization of 1001? 1001 is equal to 7 into 11 into 30. Okay. 7 into 11 into 30 is the prime factorization of 1001. Okay. Now children, we have to find the prime factors of 4004. 4004. We can use the factor tree for finding the prime factors, or we can apply an easy way. That is 1001 into 4 is equal to 4004. Right? 1001 into 4 is equal to 4004. We can apply this method to find the prime numbers of 4004. Let me explain this, children. If we split 1001 as prime factors, the factors are 7 into 11 into 30. Okay. 4004 is equal to 1001 into 4. Okay. 4004 is equal to 1001 into 4. So, we already got the prime factors of 1001. Now, we can split 4 as 2 into 2. So, we can write 1001 into 4 as 7 into 11 into 13 into 2 into 2. Okay. See children, we split this 4 as 2 into 2. Now we can write the prime factors of 4004 as, write in ascending order children, 2 into 2 means 2 to the power of 2 into 7 into 11 into 13. Okay. 2 to the power of 2 into 7 into 11 into 13. This is the prime factorization of 4004. Okay. Children, the prime factorization of 1001 is 7 into 11 into 13. If we multiply 1001 by 4, we will get 4004. Then we can split 4 as 2 into 2. Now we can write these factors together. That is, for 1001, the prime factors are 7 into 11 into 13, and for 2, it is 2 into 2. Okay. So the factors of prime factors of 4004 are 2 to the power of 2 into 7 into 11 into 13. Okay. Similarly, children, you can find 6006 as a product of prime numbers. Do it as a homework. Okay. Use this easy method, children. We can find the prime factors of 4004 using factor tree also, but here we can use this easy way. I will show you how to use factor tree for 4004. Since this is a even number, divide by 2, then 2 into 2002. Okay, again this split this 2002 as 2 into 1001. Again split the 1001. We already got this, children. 7 into 143. Split 143 as 11 into 30. So the prime factorization of 4004 is 2 into 2 into 7 into 11 into 30. Okay. Our next question is, use a factor tree to write 132 as a product of prime numbers and write 150 as a product of prime numbers. 132 into 150 is equal to 19,800. Use this fact to write 19,800 as a product of prime numbers. Okay. So first question is find the prime factors of 132 and then write 150 as a product of prime numbers. Then the product of 132 into 150 is equal to 19,800. Use this fact to write 19,800 as a product of prime numbers. Okay. So children, first find the prime factors of 132. Prime factors of 132. Split 132. Since 132 is an even number, take 2 as a factor. 2 into 66. Okay. If you divide 132 by 2, you will get 66 as the quotient. Okay. Now split this 62 as 2 into 33. Split 33 as 3 into 11. 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. This is the prime factors of 132. Now find the prime numbers for 150. 275. Then 325. Then 25 can be split as 5. Okay. So 2, 3, 5, 5. These are the prime factors of 150. Okay. So we can write 132 as 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. Now 150 can be written as 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Okay. Now children, the product of 132 into 150 is equal to 19,800. It is given in the question. Use this fact to write 19,800 as a product of prime numbers. Children, here 132 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 11 and 150 can be written as 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. If we combine these two factors, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 11 into, that is for 130, then 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. We will get 19,800. Okay. 2 into 2 into 3 into 11, that is the prime factorization of 132, and 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 is the prime factorization for 150, which is equal to 19,800. Now we can write this in ascending order, children. Here 2, 2, 2, 3 times. 2 times 2 times 2, that is 2 to the power of 3. Okay. Now 3. 1, 2. How many 3's, children? 2. That is 3 to the power of 2. Okay. Next 5. 5, 5. 5 to the power of 2. The last is 11. This is the prime factorization of 19,800. 2 to the power of 3 into 3 to the power of 2 into 5 to the power of 2 into 11. Okay. So children, first find the factors of 132, then 150. as 19,800 can be written as a product of 132 and 150. If we combine the prime factors of 132 and 150, we will get the prime factors for the number 19,800. Okay. Now our next question is, write each of these numbers as a product of prime numbers. Okay, our first question is 15. 15. 15 can be written as 3 into 5. Okay. Second question is 15 square. What is the meaning of 15 squared, children? 15 times 50. Okay. 15 squared means 15 into 15. So, we can write 15 squared as 3 into 5 into 3 into 5. 3 into 5 into 3 into 5. So, children, 15 is equal to 3 into 5. That is, 15 can be written as 3 into 5. 15 squared means 15 times 15. So, we can split 15 as 3 into 5. Again, split this 15 as 3 into 5. Now, write in ascending order. 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Write in the form of powers. 3 to the power of 2 and 5 to the power of 2. This is 15 squared. Okay.